Hi, everyone. This is your name from channel name. And today we're going to talk about a topic that sparks a lot of questions and curiosity: weight loss. How many times have you tried following a diet and didn't see the results you were hoping for? Or maybe you wondered if you're doing something wrong. Well, the world of weight loss is full of myths and truths that might be holding you back without you even realizing it. That's why today, I'm going to reveal 10 myths and truths about weight loss that will help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. And hey, at the end of the video, I've got a bonus tip that not many people know about, but it makes all the difference. So, stick around until the end, deal? Let's start with the myth that many people believe. Cutting out carbs is the solution to losing weight. But the truth is that carbs are essential for our bodies because they are the main source of energy. The problem is not the carbs themselves, but the type and quantity we consume. Refined carbs, such as white bread and sugar, can be harmful, but complex carbs, such as brown rice, sweet potatoes, and oats, are great allies. So, the tip is, don't cut out, replace. This approach shows that we don't need to be radical to lose weight. Small changes make a big difference. Now, here's a truth that many people underestimate. Drinking water helps you lose weight. Not only does water speed up your metabolism, but it also helps control hunger. We often confuse thirst with hunger, and drinking a glass of water before meals can help you eat less. Plus, water is essential for your body to function, so stay hydrated. This is one of those simple tips that makes a big difference. Keep a bottle of water nearby, and I recommend you do the same. Another common myth is that light or diet products are always healthy. But the truth is that many of these products contain chemical additives, preservatives, and even hidden sugars. They may have fewer calories, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're better for your health. So, the tip is, read the labels and choose natural foods. Real food is always the best option. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, you can't go wrong. Now, here's a truth that many people ignore. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for losing weight. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and satiety. So, if you don't get a good night's sleep, you may end up eating more than you need. That's why it's important to prioritize a good night's sleep. This tip is excellent because getting a good night's sleep is a pleasure and also helps with weight loss. It's a win-win. Another dangerous myth is that you need to starve yourself to lose weight. But the truth is that restrictive diets can lead to yo-yo dieting because they are unsustainable in the long term. The key is to eat a balanced diet without overdoing it, but also without depriving yourself. Losing weight shouldn't be a struggle. Eating well and enjoying your food is the key to lasting results. Now, here's a truth that many people don't want to hear. Exercise is important, but diet is the main factor in weight loss. Studies show that 80% of your results come from your diet and 20% from physical activity. So, there's no point in working out a lot and eating poorly. The secret is to balance the two. Diet is the basis. But of course, exercise brings many other benefits, such as energy and mental health. So, don't stop moving. Another common myth is that eating at night will make you gain weight. But what really leads to weight gain is the excess calories, not the time of day you eat. Of course, your metabolism is slower at night, so it's best to opt for light meals, such as soups or salads. Soup at night is a great option. It's light, nutritious, and tastes great. So don't be afraid to eat at night. Just choose wisely. Now, here's a truth that many people don't take seriously. Stress can hinder weight loss. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can increase fat storage, especially in the abdominal region. So, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your diet. Realize that the body and mind are connected. Practicing meditation or yoga can do wonders for your well-being and your weight.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.